Yeah, so sorry, I'm just getting into my house. ultimatehobbies.com and .au. They're based in Parramatta. They're amazing, and yeah, so I just got home. I don't know where the kids are. Oh, okay. They're out there. Hey, babe.
Hi, baby.
Hello. How you going?
Good. Did you buy me a present?
Yes.
A package came today.
Oh my god.
Do you want to open it with me? I'm really excited.
Let's go. Oh.
This is not for me. It's a pipe.
Surprise! Well, it looks like I'll be sleeping on the couch tonight. Only joking. Thank you to my wife for that little skit for the intro there. As you can tell, I've got something new. Special thank you to the O'Neill brothers for sending this out. If you don't know the O'Neill brothers or the OBR Motors, you are now. So keep watching to the end. This is just going to be an unboxing. Next week, I'll be whacking it into my 5T. I'll be doing a comparison to the stock motor and a real modded up this absolute baby. But like, I can't wait to show you what's in this box. One, I don't know. This is actually going to be the first time I'm opening this, besides when my wife opened it up thinking that it was her gift. Wink. So yeah, look, stay to the end. I'm sure you'll love it. The link's going to be in the description below. Get yourself one. These are probably one of the most sought after motors, or they're tuned motors that you can get for your 5th scale models. Yes, I'm back in the 5th scales. Yes, I've had a lot of comments below going, when are you going to go back to 5th scale? Because I've been doing a lot with my lipo or brushless RC truck or RC car. And yeah, I'll be going back to it. I've got a couple more other mods, but yeah. But anyways, let's go back to start unraveling and unboxing this baby right here. So, as you can tell in the short clip at the start, it comes with a OBR pipe, tuned pipe. I love it already. Comes with a kit as well. And the link in the description of the exact motor is going to be in the description below as well, okay? Well packed. On the lid itself, it comes with, I would say, the throttle, the throttle linkage, and also to some, what is it, spacers or something like that. I don't know what they're called, but for the pipe as well. So just wanted to give you that. More boxes. Okay, so in the box, it comes with a 2-stage filter. Awesome. Comes with a Walbro carby. It took me a while to remember what this thing was. It's been quite some time since I've actually done this. Comes with the, I don't know what's in this box. Let me just open it. Let me see. It comes with its own velocity stack. I think this is an OBR specialty. I haven't seen one of these for sale. Well, something that looks like this as well. More packaging. Comes packaged completely. It's great. And I'm based in Australia, so they've actually tuned and done this for me and put it in the mail. If you're wondering how long it took, because they are made to order, I think it took about 3 weeks all up, including shipping. Very fast, so yeah, it was worth the wait, 100%. Special again, shout out to the O'Neill brothers and Sean. Mate, your customer service, your prompt responses to all my silly questions have been phenomenal. I really do like, and for the older viewers here, you can understand that I really like great customer service and really someone who's patient enough to answer my silly questions. So thanks, mate. And it comes with some stickers as well. As you can tell, my desk here is getting a little bit dirty. I'm going to be doing it up. So if you're a brand or something, if you want to have your brand on my table, because I'll be painting it, and I'm actually going to get my kids to help me out. They're going to be painting this for me, and I'll be putting re-stickering it. I definitely will be having the Ultimate pipe and the OBRs stickers on here as well, along with Campbelltown Hobbies and Ultimate Hobbies as well. So all my favorite places to shop. Again, everything is going to be in the description below. And here we are. This is absolutely beautiful. Comes with everything that I wanted, ready to go. O'Neill stickered up. The OBR signature, I don't know, sticker, not sticker, they're actually engraved into the motor. Sean has actually engraved his name in it. Thank you very much. I don't know if that's standard, but like it's a special touch. And this is the 35cc motor. So I can't wait to actually, sorry, 34cc motor here. And he's put the manufacturing date or the tune date on here as well. So this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Just gonna check in the box to see if I've missed anything. That's it. Now this 34cc motor is designed to go, I think, I speak in kilometers, but I've heard that these can go up to about 80 kilometers an hour. I'm going to check that in my scientific way of doing so, attaching the GoPro on there and doing the speed mapping as well. And then yeah, we can go from there. So like, I'm really excited. Again, the carby, the weight and feel of this motor, it is from a stock Zenoa motor as well. I believe it was a stock 29 to 26cc, but or something like that. Quote me in the description below if I've got that wrong. And yeah, O'Neill brothers, Sean, mate, this will not be my last motor that I buy from you. I can 100% guarantee this. The pipe itself, very well made. Comes, I think it's just two pieces really, and the soldering on it is phenomenal. I still do love my Ultimate pipes though, but I'm gonna try this one. I feel like I'm cheating, or having an affair with another man. So yeah. Anyway, so the dome triple stage filter as well. It looks like it's already oiled up. It's amazing. We've got the parts to attach everything on there. So everything I need to attach this to my Lossy 5T. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I played with that car, or played with myself. Hey, I'm on a roll today. Yeah, I've forgotten what parts are called on this. So look, stay tuned. I just wanted to let you know and show you what is coming up in the next build. I'm going to test this. I'm going to see how the stock versus this motor. The motor details, I keep saying this, is in the description below. So if you want all that technical blah blah, which is I'm not good at, you will get it in that description, in that link that I've provided. That link is not sponsored. I don't get anything. I don't get any kickbacks or anything like that. If you click on that link, it's just a link directly to their website. Just want to put it out there. Definitely O'Neill Brothers is not sponsoring me to say anything good about them. This is going to be a legitimate review on this motor. First impressions, amazing already. The workmanships, the craftsmanship, the how they've put it back all together is amazing, and everything comes all in the box. So look, stay tuned to next week, because you're not gonna how can I put it? I'm gonna cut that. You're going to have FOMO, because I'm going to go in depth, dive in deep, raw and unlubed. Yes, I am, and yes, I said it, and I hope I don't get demonetized for that. So yeah, look, like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff. Write in the link in the description, anything, any information you think I should know about this motor, or anybody looking in the, at buying anything from the O'Neill brothers, or anything from OBR, whatever you want to call them. Great motors. Yeah, write down in the description. Once a month I do read them out. I do go in depth in answering your questions, and hopefully I do get the right answers, but I'll let you know in my replies to any comments if you've made it to that cut, because I'm getting an amazing feedback. So again, once a month I read out everybody's comments and answer them to you personally. So to you big beautiful bastards, I will see you next week.